How would you like to make $1,000 or more from one single sale? Just one single sale a day and you're bringing in $1,000 daily. That's $365,000 a year. That's life-changing type money for most people. It's a pretty sweet deal, and it's totally possible with high-ticket affiliate marketing. And it's a big part of how we were recently able to buy our dream home on the water down here in the Sunshine State. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to do to be successful with high-ticket affiliate marketing so that you can make $1,000 a day or more. Now, if you want to get both great training to teach you how to successfully build your future six-figure business and get a sneak peek at our #1 recommended affiliate offer that pays out high-ticket affiliate commissions, then click the link at the top of the description. Now let's break down high-ticket affiliate marketing. So why affiliate marketing in particular? Why not just sell things at a high price? Why not look for other high-ticket offers that aren't necessarily affiliate marketing? Well, because in today's day and age, affiliate marketing is one of the most hands-off business models available if you find the right program. When you're doing affiliate marketing, you're simply referring people, potential customers, to make a purchase from somebody else, and you get a cut of the commissions. This is totally hands-off. You're just responsible for making that introduction if you have a good program. And the company itself has to deal with all the customer service and fulfillment of that order, leaving you free to drive more traffic, introduce more people to it, or just live the lifestyle that you're looking to live. So affiliate marketing is a great business model if you're not only looking for financial freedom, but you're looking for time freedom as well. So why high-ticket affiliate marketing? Well, let's break down some numbers for you. Let's say we take something that's pretty average, okay, not high ticket, but just an average affiliate offer. Say a $100 product, a digital product, which we always recommend because they have the highest percent commissions. A digital product that goes for $100 and maybe you're getting 50% commissions on that. Great. If you make 2 sales, you're making $100. Pretty nice. Now let's compare that to low ticket, because a lot of people are thinking, well, hey, a lot more people are going to buy something that's $10 and they're going to buy something that's $100. Well, that's interesting, because if you sell 2 $10 products at 50% commissions, you're only making 10 bucks. Not going to do much with 10 bucks. So that means you have to make 10 times the number of sales in example 1 to make the same amount in example 2. That takes a lot more traffic. The difference in amount of how many people are actually willing to purchase based on that difference in price point isn't going to make up for 10 times the amount of money. But if we compare that to a high ticket offer, it's even better. Let's say you make 2 sales on a $2,000 product. And this is really sort of the low end on a high affiliate program, would be about $2,000. That's kind of the lower end for you. But with just 2 sales, wouldn't you like to make $2,000 from 2 sales? $2,000. Pretty nice. That's the kind of thing you can look at when you're looking at high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, your success with high-ticket commissions, what you're looking for, it really fits into 2 categories. 1, what you need to do, and 2, what your program that you're working with needs to do. Both you and the program have to meet these requirements if you're going to succeed and have some good results. If you're going to succeed, you can get to $1,000 or more a day. Now, there are 3 basic keys to what you're doing with high-ticket affiliate commissions in order to have success. The first thing is that you want to attract the right crowd. The right crowd. People who are actually willing to invest in their business or invest in whatever type of offer that you're putting out there. So this means you don't want to create a bunch of content on YouTube, your blog, social media, whatever, that speaks to the free crowd. People who are looking to get something for nothing and never want to pay anything to get results. Those people are very unlikely to actually go the distance and make the purchases of a high ticket offer. So you'd have to actually generate a lot more traffic in order to compensate for the lower percentage that are willing to make that kind of purchase. So you can add in a little bit of that free stuff kind of content, but you're going to have a lot more success if you're really focused on people who are ready to invest. If that's the kind of content you're providing, you're reaching a more qualified audience who's more likely to actually make purchases and more likely to have money and be able to make high-end purchases. Now, the second thing that you need to do, and you should do this in any type of affiliate marketing, but it's really important for high-ticket affiliate marketing, and that is collect leads. Yes, you could typically send people off to an affiliate link where they're going right to the sales page for the program or the company that you're referring them to. However, you want to collect their email address first. This is what this looks like here. You're giving away something for free that speaks to your target audience in exchange for their name and email address. And from this, you're able to build an email list. When you have an email list, you can continue to market to these people over time, which is important because the higher price point that you're asking them to purchase at, the more warming up that these people need. People only buy from and join those they know, like, and trust. And so you want to communicate with these people a lot, frankly, if you want them to make high-end purchases. And you want to continue to give them value. Send them your YouTube videos, send them your blog posts, whatever that you're doing to create content to drive traffic. You want to continue to give value to your list, building up that know, like, and trust factor so that they're ready to make that purchase if it's a good fit for them. And the third thing is that you need to truly believe in the offer. If you don't believe that it's worth every single red cent that you're asking people to spend, you should not be promoting it. You need to fully believe that it is worth it, that it truly serves your audience, that it's going to help your audience, because your audience is gonna feel it. You're gonna be much more effective in promoting something that you actually believe in. Plus, don't you really want to build a business out of integrity? When you build a business from a standpoint of integrity, you're going to create loyal fans that actually buy things from you multiple times. If you are just trying to make money and you don't care what the offer is and it's kind of junk and you just push people to it, do you think those people are going to buy anything else from you in the future? Probably not. So don't burn those bridges. Make sure that it is a really good offer that you believe in, that you can definitely put your name behind, and that's going to serve your audience. Now, what does the program itself need to do? You really want to look for something that starts out offering something at a low end price point, something from $10 to $50, something in there, but something that has a small commitment to get them in the door. So you're building up a pool of people who are willing to invest at least something into their business. And then those people, those happy customers who want to take it further, to want access to more value, your program should provide that value to them at higher price points. This is what we would call a value ladder. So maybe the front end offer is low ticket, it's maybe $10 just to get in the door. They get lots of value and they like what they see and they want to take the next step. They're made an offer to take the next step for maybe $100, $200, something like that. And so you're going a step up in the value ladder. So not everybody that spent the $10 is going to go to the next step, but some of them will. Then the people that have taken that next step, the $200 offer, well, maybe they're ready to take the next step again. They want to go further. They see the value in what the next offer is. That's maybe $2,500 or something like that. And people are willing to do that because they've loved what they've received so far and they see the value in what they're going to get. So obviously, again, not everybody who did the $200 purchase is going to do the $2,500 purchase, but some of them will. And so that's how a value ladder works. And from $2,500, then maybe it's $10,000 or $15,000. Who knows? Whatever the program has set up. But you want something that has a good value ladder, that you can get people in the door, paying customers willing to invest in their business, and then they give great value to them, so they're willing to go the next step and the next step if it's a good fit for them and they see the value in it. Now, the second thing that the program needs to do, fits totally in with that, is that they need to over deliver on their products, on their service, whatever they're offering people. They really have to over deliver, because people who are getting that $10 thing, if they don't think the $10 thing was really that good, do you think they're going to spend any more money with the company, like $200 doing something else? If they're like, it was so-so. No, they're only going to take the next step if they're like, dang, that was really good. I wonder how awesome it's going to be when I pay $200. And so you want the company has to be willing to over deliver and just give tons and tons of value in all of the products. So you're always making happy customers that are willing to take a look at least at that next step. Now, the third thing that the affiliate program itself needs, it has to include great marketing, where the sales funnels and everything that they're doing, it really is really well done marketing, where their conversion rates are well, they're masters of copywriting, they really know their trade and can market effectively. As someone who's pretty decent at marketing, I definitely take a close look at this, and I can tell when I see something and I'm blown away by the level of the marketing, that piques my interest, because I know what good marketing looks like, and most things are kind of so-so or decent, but when something catches my eye as having fabulous marketing, wow, that's something that I have to take a closer look at, because I know it's going to convert, that people are going to make sales, are going to be interested in purchasing whatever the offer is. So you want a program that has great marketing. Now, the fourth point that a company needs to do is they need to be focused on FTC compliance. If you've been around at all, even just within the last year, there's some really big companies that offered high ticket products that have been shut down by the FTC. So this isn't something to take lightly. You don't want to pour your heart and soul into promoting a program to have it poof gone one day. You want something that's going to be there long term to serve you and to serve the people that you're bringing to the program. So you have to see that they're not just talking the talk, but they're walking the walk when it comes to FTC compliance. So what does that actually look like? Well, one of the things is that people should be promoting the offer for the value of the offer, not for the opportunity of promoting the offer. If it's just for the opportunity of promoting it, then the value isn't there, and that's a big problem for the FTC. Another thing to look for is that they are very strict on income claims, that people aren't able to just throw out income claims out there and really make it look like it's easy to make money. Income claims are really going away. It's something that's frowned upon by the FTC and will get the company really examined under a microscope if people are throwing out all these crazy big numbers. Another big no-no that the FTC is not happy with is high pressure sales tactics. The companies that have been shut down were really pushy on pushing people to take out lines of credit and do different things to make purchases that they really couldn't afford. And those customers really felt pressured. That is not a good thing. While they may get more sales from it, they're going to leave people not happy. And if they're not happy, they're going to complain to the FTC. And if they see high pressure sales tactics, that's a big red flag. Another thing that the program has to be on top of is providing refunds. They have to follow their refund policy and not jerk people around. That is another reason the FTC shut down the previous companies that have been brought down. Whatever the refund policy is, they have to stick by it and really be liberal with it so that they're not creating angry people who wish they hadn't purchased, unhappy customers that are creating all this chaos and also complaining to the FTC and getting their attention put on the program. Now, I don't say this to scare you. I say this because I want you to succeed, because this opportunity is amazing. But I want to set you up for long-term success, not just quick wins, but long-term success, because it has done amazing things for our business. My husband and I are both stay-at-home parents with our 2 young kids in our new home out on the water. It's an awesome opportunity when you set yourself up for the long-term play, not just the quick money. Now, to learn our #1 recommended program that checks all of these boxes that I've listed up above and is something we can definitely put our name behind and stand behind, you want to click the link at the top of the description to check it out. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. If you're new to the channel, say hi so we can welcome you to the community. I'm Leah Rae from TomLeahRae.com. Head over to the video floating above my head here, and I'll see you soon.